Now let's go over a few legalities. The producer must consider the different legal implications of creating a media production. Unfortunately, this kind of knowledge can be hard to access, and lawyers may be too expensive for many smaller productions. As a result, many media producers work without the assistance of a lawyer. Even so, there are some basic steps that every producer must take in order to limit the potential of liability when doing a media production. Some of these things include getting consents, releases, and permissions required in writing and signed by the appropriate persons. A location permit is a form that grants the production permission to film on a private property. The producer must get the consent of the property owner and have it in writing. If someone were to object the right of the production team to be on that property on the day of filming, then the form could provide a quick proof that everything was done in a legitimate fashion and the necessary permissions were obtained. In addition, it protects the production from an owner who later makes claims that they had no right to be there and proceeds to demand compensation. Actor releases. Actor releases are also called talent or model releases. These forms are your way of proving that they have consented to be filmed in your media project. You see, sometimes people change their mind about a project after they have been filmed. If this were to happen, your project may not get done. The best practice is to have everyone sign these actor releases before being filmed. Copyright. While filming scenes in different places, you may find that some of the things in the background, like certain statues, architecture, or pieces of art, are copyrighted. Some of these things require that you obtain clearances, but it can be a bit hard to figure out which. Regardless, make sure you leave some time to investigate background objects so as to ensure that you are not held liable down the road. If you find things that are copyrighted works, either clear them with an attorney or avoid them altogether.